is studying in DAV Public School. Today I got an opportunity to talk in this topic, that is, if I could design my own school. School is my favorite place than the other, and if I got a chance to design my own school, then I think I got a golden chance to create my own school. To create my own school, first of all, I will give one specific name to my school. That is, growing up my education dream. I set this type of name because most of the children have a dream to be good in their studies, and I think I can fulfill their dream. Secondly, I would design my school building with some potted plants and the craft ideas. Then I would create one canteen in my school so that students can have their tiffin if they were forgotten to bring from their home. After that, I would create a big classrooms with fully technologized smart boards so that students can understand instantly and clear their doubt in few seconds. Then I would create a big garden so that students can play there and spend their games periods there with a relaxed mind. Then I would create one auditorium, library, science lab, computer lab with fully technologized devices because I love gadgets. Then I will follow 3 important rules in my school. First rule, canteens will only open in recess periods. Second rule, students can wear their casual uniform and come to the school. Third point, there will be not any partialities, all will get the equal chances. And these 3 rules should be followed in my school. Then I hope the students can join in my school, and this school is the best school for the students, and in future they can fulfill their dream. And I also hope that in future I can build like this type of school. By saying this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.